Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through uploading videos to Vimeo, covering formats, privacy, and optimization. Vimeo is a premium platform that focuses on high-quality, ad-free streaming with powerful creator tools. By 2026, Vimeo supports 8K uploads and offers enhanced AI-driven features for seamless playback and optimization. We'll cover the essentials to get your videos looking their best. Let's start with video formats. Vimeo supports MP4, MOV, VMV, FLV, and WebM. For best results, use H.264 encoding for optimal compression and quality. The maximum file size for basic accounts is 20 gigabytes, but Pro and Plus plans offer unlimited storage. Keep your videos under 5 hours in length for best performance. These factors ensure compatibility across different devices and maintain high-quality playback. There are 3 main ways to upload your video to Vimeo: through the web dashboard, the mobile app for iOS and Android, or using the Vimeo API for advanced integrations. Let's start with the web dashboard. First, log into your Vimeo account. Next, click the Upload button in the dashboard. Then, choose your video file from your computer. Finally, add important metadata like title, description, and tags to help with discoverability. For mobile uploads, use the Vimeo app on iOS or Android. It offers convenient on-the-go uploading from your phone or tablet. The Vimeo API enables powerful integrations with professional editing software. For example, you can connect directly with Adobe Creative Cloud for seamless workflows or DaVinci Resolve for color grading. Regardless of the upload method, always monitor the progress to confirm your video uploads successfully. Once uploaded, your video is ready for further optimization and sharing. Vimeo offers robust privacy settings to control who can view your videos. Choose from public, visible to all, private, accessible via direct link only, password protected, or embed only options. This table compares Vimeo's privacy features. Public videos have the most visibility, while private videos cannot be embedded and are the most restricted. For more control, use domain restrictions to limit where your video can be embedded, ensuring it's only viewed on approved sites. Team sharing allows collaboration with granular permissions, letting you control who can view, comment, or edit your videos. Here you can see the permission options: view, comment, edit, and remove access. Album settings allow you to set privacy for collections of videos, with options like public access. Privacy ensures your content is viewed by the intended audience, whether for internal use, client review, or public viewing. Video optimization is crucial for maximizing viewer engagement on Vimeo. Properly optimized videos load faster, look sharper, and keep viewers watching longer. Begin with a resolution of 1080p or higher to ensure crisp quality. Vimeo now supports 8K uploads, providing exceptional clarity for professional content. Bitrate determines video quality and compression. For HD content, maintain a bitrate of at least 5 megabytes per second. Vimeo's adaptive bitrate streaming automatically adjusts for different devices. The recommended aspect ratio is 16:9 for optimal viewing on most devices. This widescreen format works well for Vimeo content, though other ratios like 9:16 suit vertical mobile video. Take advantage of Vimeo's built-in tools, starting with custom thumbnails. These allow you to select the most engaging frame to represent your video. End screens let you promote related content or include calls to action, keeping viewers engaged and on your channel. Chapters allow viewers to jump to specific sections, improving the user experience for longer videos. In summary, proper optimization with high resolution, appropriate bitrate, correct aspect ratio, and Vimeo's tools results in videos that load faster, appear sharper, and maintain viewer engagement. Improve your video's discoverability on Vimeo by optimizing its SEO elements. Start with keyword-rich titles that include relevant search terms viewers might use. For instance, a title like "How to Edit Videos in Adobe Premiere Pro 2023" incorporates keywords like edit videos, Adobe Premiere Pro, and 2023 that people commonly search for. Next, craft detailed descriptions that incorporate relevant keywords naturally. This helps Vimeo understand your content and match it to search queries. Use descriptive tags that capture the core topics of your video. Choose tags that viewers are likely to search for, such as video editing, Premiere Pro, or tutorial. Remember that Vimeo's algorithm favors videos with longer watch times and high viewer interactions. Optimize your SEO elements to attract the right audience. Then focus on creating compelling content that holds their attention. This SEO diagram shows the key components that work together to improve your video's visibility. Keywords, content, and optimization are all interconnected elements. As shown in this search results example, videos with strong SEO appear prominently. By using relevant keywords in titles, descriptions, and tags, your content is more likely to be discovered by interested viewers, increasing traffic and engagement. Copyright compliance is crucial when uploading content to Vimeo. Ensure your videos respect intellectual property rights by avoiding copyrighted material without permission. Vimeo employs automatic DMCA scanning technology that actively monitors uploads for potential copyright infringements, helping to protect both creators and rights holders. For accessibility, Vimeo offers AI-powered auto-generated captions that automatically transcribe your video's audio into text. This feature makes your content more inclusive, allowing viewers with hearing impairments or those watching without sound to follow along. Captions also improve SEO and viewer engagement across different platforms. By adhering to copyright guidelines and utilizing accessibility features like AI captions, you ensure legal compliance while making your content accessible to a broader audience, enhancing both protection and reach. Vimeo now includes AI tools for automatic color correction and noise reduction, reducing edit times by up to 50%. Expect future integrations for volumetric video, which captures 3D representations of scenes using multiple cameras and depth sensors, and AI-generated personalized overlays that adapt content based on viewer preferences. Embrace mobile-first trends. By 2030, most uploads will come from smartphones, with 70% of content created on mobile devices. Leading vendors like Samsung and Apple dominate the market. Be ready for metaverse integrations, enabling virtual screenings and 3D avatar creation for immersive experiences. These trends show a shift toward more immersive and personalized experiences, combining AI enhancements with advanced video technologies.